Hello, welcome back again. Doing a quick video giving you an alternate way to do some instruction where traditionally you'd use a whiteboard. Let's say this is a math class, physics class, anything where you need to do some detailed work. Obviously, option number one, point the webcam at the whiteboard, do the work up there. However, that's probably not the greatest viewing opportunity for the student. So I wanted to start thinking of the potential another way we can do this. So I'm actually going to throw a picture up on my screen to show what I have set up here. And there's the proof, because you can see me taking the picture of my setup. I have a dot cam. Many of you have seen these in the labs. Traditionally, we use them to project up onto the screen. However, I have it hooked up right now to my computer through USB, and this is potentially something we could set up a couple of these in various locations, in labs or something like that, if you wanted to record a lecture in this format. So let me show you what I'm going to do. First of all, I'm going to come over to my Zoom. I'm going to hit record. So it will start recording this lecture. Now, this is a lecture. I have nobody joined it. I have no intentions of having anybody join it. As I talked about in my other video, you do not need to have anybody join to be able to do a lecture capture. So I can start it, and I have over here, as I showed you in the picture, the dot cam and a piece of paper. So what I can do is, while I'm in the Zoom, I can use Alt-N, or I can actually go down here to the video sources. You'll see that Alt-N, and you'll see it shows up as a video source, Epson. That's the product that we're using. So if I hit that, it actually switches over, and my webcam is now the Epson. So pretty neat. I think it's a pretty nice way. You could put any type of paper under here. It can actually zoom in pretty close. Or you can back out a little bit. So for example, it can also be items that are three-dimensional. So let me zoom out a little bit, and you'll see you can have an item. You can actually move this camera around too if you need to show something. So if there's something three-dimensional you need to show as well, you can. But anyway, for this example, I'm going to zoom back in a little bit. Pick an easy one here. I'm a little out of my league, but if I remember y equals mx plus b, I think that's correct. So we can work these out. We'll go up and do 3, and then your 4 would be down 4 over 1, down 4 over 1. Get our first line. I could actually grab a different colored pen if I want, and I have my -2 here, and then -x is an easy one. That's just going to move like this. Draw my line. Very easy to do. So this would be a really neat opportunity. At any time, I can switch back to my live cam. If I want to go back to speaking to the user, it takes just a couple seconds to switch back over, and then here I am again. So rather than doing this and trying, draw like this, or pointing it at a wall and trying to, draw on the side of my wall, which are both perfectly fine, and you could do that. The desktop camera will actually work pretty well, so you'll see that right here. So I just slide my paper under, and I'm good to go. I hope this helps. If you think this would be useful, we'll get some set up around campus for you to be able to record some lectures. Have a good one. I will stop the recording now. I will end my meeting. And that recording will be on the way to my inbox now. Have a great day.